What's good? Thank you guys for joining me in today's video. If you guys are new here, my name is Santos. If you guys are returning subscribers, what's good, fam? Thank you guys for the continuous support and welcome to another video. So guys, we have our first Valentine's Day inspired look. So she's giving me very much Euphoria vibes. That's what I feel. Or maybe some type of Barbie. Sound off down below and let me know what kind of vibe this is giving you. So I did take to IG the other day and I asked you guys if you guys wanted me to do a Valentine's Day look. And guys, I am so surprised. First of all, shout outs to all of you guys that participated in that poll. Y'all, I've never had so many people engage with me. I mean, I'm a small influencer, so for more than like 15-20 people to participate in a poll is groundbreaking to me. So I appreciate all the love and support. So thank you guys so much. But going back to the poll, you guys sounded out, and let me tell you, 100% of you guys said that you guys wanted a Valentine's Day look. So say motherfucking less. I got y'all. So here is the look, y'all. So what inspired this look is, I don't know if you guys remember, about a year ago, maybe like a little bit before the summer, a TikTok trend went viral with tissue. Now, I was over here contemplating, like, what am I gonna bring? What's different? We do our own thing on this channel. We are above basic. That's first and foremost. You come to this channel to what? To be a what? A baddie. Okay? Say it with me. A baddie. So I was like, well, we got to bring something different to the channel because there are a lot of talented influencers and makeup artists that are doing gorgeous everyday or wearable looks. And I didn't want to bring that to my channel. I wanted to bring something a little bit different but still creative. And you guys know I live for artistry. So this is the look that we came up with in today's video. So we did use the tissue method in this video. So if you guys have never seen the tissue method in action, stay tuned for the tutorial portion of this video. I'm going to show you guys how to create this beautiful look. I had so much fun creating this look. I've never done this before and I think that it came out really good. I think I executed that. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about the look, you guys already know, sound off down below. If you guys are enjoying my content, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the Ignitions family. Don't forget to spread the word on your new favorite influencer. And yep, without further ado, guys, enjoy the video and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later, y'all. What's good, Ignitions? You guys already know, jumping right into voiceovers. So this is a close-up of the look that we're going to create today. So let's jump right into it, y'all. So starting off with my favorite eyeshadow base. This is the P.Louise eyeshadow base in Rumor number 2. If you guys are new here, first and foremost, welcome. Secondly, this is my favorite eyeshadow base. If you guys have never tried this, this is definitely one for the collection, and I highly recommend that. So I'm just going into my Sephora double-ended brush, and I am going to just use the concealer side to blend it out. We are here for the speediness of it all. Alright guys, so jumping into our featured palette in today's video, we are going to be using the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. This is the first time that I'm using this palette. It's been in my collection for a very long time, for almost 2 years, and this is pretty much the first look that I'm creating with this palette. I never wanted to touch it, but I see Jeffree Star. These palettes are really pigmented and I was definitely here for it, so yes. So guys, let's get right into the technique in today's video. So we are going to be using the tissue method. So it's very imperative. I had to learn this because it was the first time that I was doing it, that you ball up the tissue like this. I'm going to give you a close-up. So you want it to look broken up. You do not want to saturate the whole tissue and it being color, because then everything is going to start to blend into each other. You want it to have some kind of veining and some kind of lines. this is a look that's not meant to be perfect. I just want to stress that out. This is not a beauty look. This is an artistic look. Artistry looks are not always looks that are pretty. So I just want to mention that. And if you guys can see, there was no veining in the pink because the tissue was too balled up. So, and this is what I'm saying, you guys have to break up the tissue or make sure that there's not a lot of pigment on the tissue. So just keep that in mind. So in the Jeffree Star palette, there wasn't a lighter pink that I could use. So I did go into my Norvina Volume 4 palette, and I did go into, I believe that was E1. It's like a coral pink. And again, I just wanted to get that almost like ombre effect to the eye. So I'm just going to place that pretty much everywhere else where there is no shadow. And I'm going to almost contour my eye with this eyeshadow as well. So this is where we should be at, guys. You know, take your time. This is not a eyeshadow look that takes very long, thank God, because I feel like lately, the last couple of videos, I've been just taking my sweet time with recording, and it's been long hours. So this one didn't take me very long, which I was excited about. Anywho's, I'm carrying on. So again, I'm jumping right into the Madebymitchel eyeliners. You know, I'm very disappointed with this product, and you know, but it does get the job done. So I am just trying to use them up. I'm using Milk, and the pink one was, I'll leave the name down in the description bar down below. So I just, at this point, I was just creating. There wasn't no specific look. I was just trying to play and create something beautiful. So I am going to go ahead and use my Garnier Fructis Marcel cleansing water. Now guys, to cut my crease, I digress, I'm all over the place. So I am cutting the crease in this video, but honestly, you don't have to do this. I have smaller eyelids, and I hate to lose my eyelids because I don't have a lot of eye space. So, you know, anything to make my eyes look a little bit bigger, I try to do. But you guys don't have to do this. You guys could just take your eyeshadow base and just clean up and open up the eye with your P.Louise Base. Just put a little bit in the front and then just buff it out, and that will open up a lot of the eye space. You don't have to do all of this cut crease because you're gonna lose it anyway. So I'm just going to jump into the Juvia's Place Blush Palette in Volume 2, and I'm just going to use the pink side just to get a little bit of a blend and tie everything, the eye look together. So after that, I am going to go into my MAC palette that I create. I'm just going to use my Nylon, and I'm just going to put that on the inner portion of my eye to get that nice, bright, dulled look to the eye. And yeah. So I'm just going to go ahead and hop off camera and do my eyebrows. I did do my brows darker than usual because I did want the eyeshadow to stand out. So going into eyeliner, guys, I am going to use the LA Girl liner in the black. I love these liners. You guys know I've been talking about these liners for the last few weeks, and I'm obsessed. So I'm just going to do a line just at the outer part of the eye halfway to just give myself a little bit more of an almond shaped eye because my eyes are super round. And then we are going to apply my favorite lashes. You guys know these are my favorite. These are the Kiss lashes in the style Drenched. I love these lashes, and y'all need to go pick it up and stop playing. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into another LA Shock eyeliner, and I am going to just use this one in the hot pink, and then I'm going to take a little bit of a white eyeliner just to lighten it to get that like neon light pink shade. You guys know I feel so cute when I wear pink. My favorite color is pink, if you guys didn't know. So anytime I wear pink, I just feel like that bitch, okay? So I am just going to go ahead and clean up. Now, I took this technique from Stacy Marie. She literally leaves a lot of the shadow towards the bottom lash line and just cleans up and gives you almost a lifted look, and I'm kind of obsessed with that, y'all. If you guys don't know who Stacy Marie is, I am gonna link her page, her Instagram down in the description bar down below. She's an amazing UK based makeup artist, and I'm totally obsessed with UK based makeup trends at the moment. So if you guys don't know, now you know. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of jewels. I did buy these off of Amazon, and I just applied it everywhere I needed to on that pink and purple side. Alright guys, so let's get right into complexion, my favorite part. You guys know I'm going to be using my Pixi oil and the vitamin C, and you want to make sure that you shake this well so it almost looks like orange juice. Y'all, I'm obsessed with this. This is like my thing. Like, I love it. All right, so jumping right into, we're gonna double prime, of course. I'm going to take my NYX, what is this, Marshmallow primer, and y'all, I hear y'all, I have a big surprise for you guys coming up for all the drugstore lovers and the people that, all of you guys that have been asking for drugstore makeup. It's coming. I hear you, trust me, I got y'all. Anyway, you guys know that I can't do any kind of skin look without my color corrector, so I am going to use my Lancôme Taint Idol color corrector in Peach, and I'm just going to go ahead and mute out any darkness on my face. I'm also going to clean up the eyeshadow with whatever residual is on the skin. So let's jump right into my holy grail foundation. This is the Nars Light Reflecting Foundation. Y'all, if you guys haven't seen my review on this foundation, I will link it on the screen and in the description bar down below. Go check out my review on this foundation. I am going to go ahead and move forward, guys, because I have a lot to say about our pro tip in today's video. So let's talk about color correction, y'all. So if you guys have any kind of purple, any kind of dark hair, any kind of scarring on the skin, and you wear yellow foundation, a lot of the times it can alter the color of the foundation. It can turn it gray or it can turn it green depending on the undertone of the bruise or the hair. So with that being said, let's get into our pro tips. So if you do have any kind of shifting on the skin, guys, get yourself a concealer that's a little bit more salmony and it'll correct it. Now I did give you guys a really close up of my skin. I do have a lot of dark hairs peeking through, but when I put that corrector, that peachy corrector, you guys see that there is no hairs coming through because it color corrected the foundation. So now that my foundation is color corrected, it is true to tone. This is very important if you guys are looking for that makeup artist super skin like makeup look. This is gonna give it to you. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up for that pro tip, and if I was not clear, please sound off down below so I can go ahead and correct myself if you guys didn't understand. Alright guys, jumping into concealer, we are going to be using the Anastasia Magic Touch Concealer. You guys know I'm obsessed with this concealer. This one is a must for the collection. You guys see how beautifully even my under eyes is, period. It's so good. Alright guys, jumping right into my setting powder. You guys know I'm obsessed with the Huda Beauty setting powder. So this is the one in Pound Cake. I'm obsessed. You guys need this. I'm not going to carry on about this. Alright guys, so getting right into our complexion, let's set the whole face, and we are going to use our Sephora Micro Smooth Setting Powder. And I believe this one is in Tan, which is number 30. Alright, oh wow, this video is going so fast. So going right into contour, I am going to be using the Fenty Matchstick in Mocha, I believe. This is the one that looks very close to a contour. It has that gray undertone, which is my preferred kind of tone when it comes to contouring because it brings shadows back to the skin instead of warmth, which I like. I like to add shadow and then, well, I like to add dimension and then add warmth after. Alright guys, going into one of my favorite products is the Natasha Denona Love Palette. This palette, you guys are going to be mad, but I have to say Natasha Denona's palettes are amazing. This one in particular, because the thing about these palettes is that you can never overdo it. There's a whole glitter blush in here, and again, when you put it on the skin, it just, it glows. It harmonizes with each of the colors in the palette, and it just works beautifully. Y'all need this, so save up your coins and treat yourself to, you know, this luxury palette because it's fire. Anywho's, jumping right into blush, again we are going to jump into the Juvia's Place blush palette and volume 2, and I am going to just mix the shades to get that beautiful peachy pink, you know, glow on the skin that I truly am here for. It truly is a timeless look. Alright guys, so jumping right into cavity, we are going to go ahead and just place that darker purple right on the bottom lash line to add that depth. So if you guys have any kind of struggles with blending out the bottom lash line with pigmented shades, guys, I have recommended your fingers. Your fingers are still your best tools when you are doing makeup. Just take your pinky and lightly go back and forth, and you guys will see the actual blend start to appear. This will allow you, if you are using a more than one color to blend, for everything to just marinate and look as one. So trust me, use this technique and watch your overall eyeshadow just level up. Alright guys, so jumping right into lips, we are going to go ahead and use one of my favorite liners that I just fell in love with, which was Plum liner from MAC Cosmetics. I don't know if they make these liners. I haven't worked at MAC since 2018, and I probably only purchased a couple of products since then, just like holy grails that I need, but I haven't really viewed the lineup, so I don't know if they sell this liner anymore. But this is Plum lip liner. I am going ahead and overdrawing this, overdrawing my lips. You guys know that I struggle with, you know, my small lips, so I'll be just trying to give you guys a look or whatever. So I am going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick, and this is the regular one. This is supposed to be that like mauvey pink one, but again, it wasn't giving me the look that I wanted. I wanted a lighter nude pink, so I did go ahead with my P.Louise Base, and I did put that in the center, and I did use a brush to just keep, you know, control the product right at the center of the lip. So again, if you are looking for control, definitely use a brush. It does, like, I love the results. Okay, look at that pout. It's soft pink. We're here for it. Okay. And then, of course, you guys know I love my Fenty Beauty glosses, so I am going to take, I think it's Fussy Heat, and I am just going to gloss up these lips, okay? A Valentine's Day look wouldn't be complete without a glossy lip, and that's on per. So we're just going to go ahead and set our face with, of course, a pink spray. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And yep, if you guys have stayed to the end, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. You guys, I love you. Hello to my new subscribers, and thank you guys again for the continuous support. I love you, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later, y'all.